Welcome to my YouTube video on the Hanthana International Bird Park, a beautiful place that you definitely should not miss if you're a nature lover or a bird enthusiast. Located in Kandy, Sri Lanka, the Hanthana International Bird Park is a must-visit destination for anyone who is interested in learning about the vibrant avian species that call this country home. This park is set amidst a scenic natural landscape that's just perfect for bird watching, bird photography, or simply relaxing amidst the lush greenery. As you enter the park, you will be greeted by a rich variety of bird species, each one more stunning than the last. There are over 100 species of birds that you can spot here, including the beautiful Indian peafowl, vibrant sunbirds, the black-capped bulbul, and many more. The park is home to both endemic and migratory birds, so you can expect to see an incredible range of feathered friends throughout the year. The Hanthana International Bird Park is not just a place to see birds, it's also a place to learn about them. There are knowledgeable guides available who will help you understand the unique features and behaviors of each bird you encounter, as well as their ecological importance. The park also has a bird conservation center that works to protect the local bird species and their habitats. Apart from bird watching, the park offers other attractions as well. You can take a leisurely walk along the well-maintained trails, enjoy a picnic with your friends and family, or take part in a range of activities such as horse riding, archery, and more. The park is open every day from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., and the entrance fee is very reasonable. You can easily spend a full day here, soaking up the sights and sounds of nature. In conclusion, the Hanthana International Bird Park is a must-visit destination for anyone who loves nature and birds. It's a serene and peaceful place, where you can relax and connect with the natural world. If you ever find yourself in Sri Lanka, make sure to add this park to your itinerary, and I guarantee you won't be disappointed.